In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell XRP on Bybit. First is to install and set up Bybit. Make sure the Bybit app is installed and your account is set up. Second is deposit USDT. If you haven't already deposited USDT by tapping the deposit icon, selecting USDT, and choosing the network. Confirm the deposit once done. Third is to check XRP balance. Go to the Assets menu and ensure you have XRP available in your funding or unified trading account. Fourth step is to search for XRP. In the market section, use the search bar to find the XRP or USDT trading pair. Fifth is to select market order. Choose market order and enter amount of XRP you want to sell. Sell XRP, tap Sell XRP to complete the transaction. Convert cryptocurrency to USD. You can also convert XRP to other crypto by going Home, More, Convert, and selecting XRP, entering the amount and confirming the exchange. Thank you for watching.